Hi, it's Alex here. Hope you're all well. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can embed a PDF file into your WordPress website. You can embed it so it looks like this, just a nice PDF viewer that people can scroll through the document with. Or if you want something a little bit more fancy, you can embed it like this so that it becomes a flipbook so people can flick through the pages just like a real book. We're going to be using a plugin to do this. It's super easy, super quick. Let's go. So this is the plugin I'm going to be using to embed my PDF. It's called Embedpress, and well, as you can see, you can embed over 250 different content types into WordPress instantly. There is a free version available. You can get it over within the WordPress plugin directory. Just go into plugins, add new, do a search for Embedpress. Premium version is available here. I'll put a link up now. It's wpeagle.com/Embedpress. Really appreciate it if you use my links, and the premium version unlocks a whole load of extra features. But let me show you how it works. So this is my website. Well, one of them. It's estepona.life. This is a page I've got about a restaurant, and I've already got a PDF on here. It's the menu. At the moment, I've just got an image that I link through to the PDF. It's not great. It opens it up like this in the PDF viewer. Not ideal. So let's swap it out using Embedpress. I've already got the plugin installed. So I'm going to go into Edit Post. Let's get rid of the image here. We can delete that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new block. I'll just find the right place. Let's click on the plus over here. I'm going to find the block I want, which is actually the Embedpress PDF block. Put that in here, and then we go into the media library. I have already got some PDFs, but I'm going to upload the new version of this menu that I've got. It's just here. So super simple. You just upload it from your computer, click select. It's going to load that in, and it's ready. So there we go, it's in. We've got some controls over here. We can adjust the height and the width. We can, make it just like 100%. There we go. Now, the really cool features that we've got in here are the document controls. So we can adjust the viewer style. Let me just show you what this one looks like. This is the modern view. I'm just going to save the post and let's take a look. So, it's just a nice little PDF viewer with all the controls. But I'll show you something super cool now. If we go back into the post, and if we change it into a flipbook, and let's save this again. Now let's take a look. And now it's super cool flipbook. How nice is that, huh? Takes a second to load in the pages, but this PDF is actually quite big. I should probably optimize it. But yeah, you can see it looks really nice. A great way to present your documents. Let's just jump back in and have a look at the rest of the settings. So we've got all these options here in terms of lazy load. Probably turn that on, it will increase performance. You've got some different themes if you want a light or a dark theme. Maybe a light theme might suit my website better. You can add a watermark. So you can just put Ikigai menu, something like that. So it stops people copying it, or you could put the name of your site. If I can type. Like that, so that's nice, and you can adjust the style here. Now I'm obviously editing this post with the Gutenburg editor, or otherwise known as the WordPress block editor, but it does also work with Elementor, and in fact you can use it with any builder that you like because it supports shortcodes. So anything that you can stick a shortcode in, you can use Embedpress with. Other options we've got are some custom branding, so you can add like a logo. Maybe I could add my logo. Where is it? Here. Adds that down in the corner, but you can change the position here, so that's nice. You can even add an ad setting. So this is a premium feature, but say I wanted to show an ad before someone viewed the PDF, I could turn this on. I could upload a video or put the URL in here, and basically, as people are looking at the PDF, you can then show them an ad. So that's an interesting way to monetize your website. You've also got some security stuff here, so you can enable content protection. You can set a password, or you can enable it just for certain WordPress users. So that's a cool premium feature as well. That'll help you keep everything nice and secure if you need to. So that's the PDF embed. There are some other really cool embeds that you get. So I've already got the embeds showing here. So you've got all of these available to you, including like Google Forms, Google Maps, Google Calendar, Google Drawings even. You've got Mixcloud, you've got Twitter. You can embed anything you like with this plugin. Things like social feeds like Twitter and other social networks, they're really useful because you often do need a plugin to be able to do that properly, and this one has you covered on that. Now, one last thing on this PDF block, you notice that down here, actually it's hard to see, it says powered by Embedpress. You can turn that off. You just go into the Embedpress settings like this. They're within your dashboard down in the Embedpress section, and you can turn off powered by Embedpress, make it a little bit tidier. So that's that saved. If we go back to the post, so there we go, that's all looking good. So one last thing I want to show you with the PDF function is this one. If I do another search for embed, so we've just added the standard PDF embed, but there's also this PDF gallery, where if I had multiple PDFs, which I think I do here, yeah, I've got all these. Some of them are a little bit random, but here you go, you get the idea. And yeah, you can lay them out in a nice gallery. So you can have a grid, maybe you can drop it down to 2 columns, that looks nicer. And you can have the PDF pop up, and choose the style. Again, you can add a watermark. Let me just show you what this looks like. Let's take a look. Here we go. So then if you want to look at them, they just open in a nice little pop-up. And you've got different styles on this gallery. So for example, you might want to go for a masonry layout. If they're different sizes, that will look good. A carousel, so people can just kind of scroll through. A bookshelf. Well, that looks interesting, huh? I quite like the carousel. Let's have a look at that. Take one last look at the post. Then yeah, people can just scroll through your PDF files. So that is Embedpress, and that is how to embed a PDF file onto your WordPress website. Let me know what you thought about this video. I do love to hear from you. Drop me a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and make sure you're subscribed so that I can see you in the next one.